Grandad Dog's garage. This is Grandad Dog's garage. Beep, beep. And here are Peppa and her family in their car. What can you do for you today? Asks Grandad Dog. Petrol or air for your tires? No, thank you, replies Daddy Pig. Our tires have lots of air. How about trying our new automatic car wash? Asks Danny Dog. No, thank you. I've just washed our car, says Daddy Pig. Just 2 ice lollies, please. Certainly, says Grandad Dog. Grandad Dog's garage sells all sorts of things, even ice lollies. Peppa gets an orange ice lolly and George gets a strawberry one. They giggle happily. Are you sure you don't need any petrol for your journey? Asks Grandad Dog. Nothing, that will be all, says Daddy Pig. Thank you. He pays for the ice lollies and drives off. Daddy Pig doesn't get very far before the car stops. Grandad Dog spots that Daddy Pig needs help. We're coming to the rescue, he calls out. Grandad Dog takes a good look at the car. You've run out of petrol, says Grandad Dog. I'll tow you to my garage. There's plenty of petrol there. Grandad Dog tows the car back to the garage. Peppa, George, Mommy, and Daddy Pig go too. It is lots of fun. Grandad Dog fills Peppa's car with petrol. Glug, glug, glug. Thank you, Grandad Dog, says Daddy Pig. Now the car will go, replies Grandad Dog, smiling. Oh dear, now Susie Sheep's car has got a flat tire. Mommy Sheep makes a phone call. Beep, beep, beep. To the rescue, cries Danny and Grandad Dog again, jumping into their tow truck. Peppa hops in too. Hello, Susie, says Peppa. We've come to rescue you. Hooray, cheer Susie and Mommy Sheep. Back at Grandad Dog's garage, Grandad Dog fills the flat tire with air. Beep, beep. Now, Granny and Grandpa Pig have arrived in their car. Hello, says Grandad Dog. Here for petrol or air? Neither, says Grandad Dog. We want to try an automatic car wash. Of course, says Grandad Dog. Grandad Dog's garage is always here to help. Oh no, Peppa's car has run out of petrol. Lucky Grandad Dog's garage isn't far. But when another car has problems, can Grandad Dog help them too?